In this video, I am showing you how to play the rhythm of the traditional Colombian Pasillo. There are indeed different ways. However, the only thing is this more harmonious onion. I will be showing you how to play two basses. For example, the 6th string twice, then the chords upwards, the 5th string twice, a chord twice, and then again play the 6th string twice, a chord, and finally the 5th string twice and a chord again. I hope you really liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. I love all of you very much. Have an excellent and wonderful day.